The Pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, have stood for over 4,500 years. But how were these colossal structures built? Theories range from advanced ancient technology to extraterrestrial help. Today, we'll explore the most fascinating ideas. Theory 1, the ramp theory, the most widely accepted theory. Massive ramps. Archaeologists suggest workers dragged limestone blocks on sleds, using mud brick ramps, spiraling around the pyramid. But could this method really explain the precision of the Great Pyramid? Theory 2, internal spiral ramp. Some experts propose an internal ramp, a hidden corridor inside the pyramid itself. French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin's theory suggests workers moved blocks up a smooth, spiraling tunnel. Theory 3, water shafts and floating stones. What if the Egyptians used water to move the stones? Some researchers think canals transported blocks to the site, and buoyancy helped lift them into place. Could this explain the pyramid's flawless alignment? Theory 4, lost ancient technology. What if the Egyptians had advanced tools we've forgotten? Some speculate they used sound waves, levitation, or even a now lost form of concrete to mold stones on site. Theory 5, alien or Atlantean intervention. And then, there's the wild stuff. Did aliens lend a hand? Or was it the mythical civilization of Atlantis? While mainstream science dismisses these theories, but they are very interesting. So, which theory do you believe? While we may never know for sure, this video helps us explore the past in ways never before possible.